This is a 1999 Ford Lightning, and it's got a couple tricks up its sleeve. 7.3-liter Godzilla motor with a Procharger, and we're about to install a full custom audio setup in this. Let me show you.
As you see, we have our sound mat on the doors. This helps with sound quality and vibration, as well as road noise. We've got the full doors done. The floor is done. The back wall is done. I did inside of the cab right here for the speakers in the rear. Basically, we're gonna do a full Rockford Fosgate setup in this, use some of their new product, their P3 three-way conversion kits, and the Rockford P2 6x8 coaxial conversions as well. All right, so I got the basic structure of the A-pillars for the Lightning setup. As you can see, I have my 2.5 inch here, as well as my tweeter. They are angled to reflect off of the windshield and meet back in the center of the dash roughly. From here, I'll throw on some grill cloth and throw in some resin, and we'll take it shape. All right, so the Lightning is coming along great. As you can see, I got the A-pillars fully ready for material, glass ready to go. We added a black carpet in here, took out that brown dingy stuff and added a nice new black carpet. We have the DSP in as well. Only thing left I have to do as far as wiring in the back is run my power sources to my distribution blocks up top, as well as my RCAs to that side. All right, so I'm changing the headliner in our Lightning from a tan suede to a black suede. We wanted to just kind of give the truck a little bit of a breakup for the color, because when you looked inside before, it was just all tan. So by doing what we have done, we've changed the carpet, and now we're gonna change the headliner. I also built those custom pillars, so we also want it to kind of just flow into the pillars as well. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just making it look pretty. What we're doing now is we're gonna pull the kick panels out. And we're gonna add in 8-inch punch pros. So what we're gonna achieve with those is get a little bit more mid-range and mid-bass. What I'm doing now is I'm going to use our Mobile Solutions ring templates to get a nice ring for the 8. So I can set it on here, kind of get an idea of where exactly and the angles and what we're going to do. So let's get into that. All right, so we got the kick panels about 50% done. I got all our material on there to give us the actual shape of the kick panel. Got my nice angle in there to give us some sound direction towards the driver and passenger. From here, I'll take some fiberglass resin. I'll throw it on here to make it harden up, give us a nice structure. Let's get into it.
All right, so we've started to build out the audio setup in the interior. Next episode, we're gonna be doing a couple mechanical upgrades under the hood and a few cosmetic upgrades around the truck. You'll have to stay tuned though. We'll see you next week.